everybody, welcome back to Cooking and Creating with Auntie M. Today is Fajita Fridays and we're going to make some shrimp fajitas and we're going to make a vegetarian version. So first we're going to start with, we'll put a tablespoon of garlic in each pan. We're going to do them simultaneously, so bear with us. That smells so good. I would say that. So we're going to drop in a lot of mushrooms in this pan because this is going to be our vegetarian one in the back. So we're going to get those cooking. We need to get these kind of brown looking. So our mushrooms are cooking. They smell really delicious. So now we're going to add in our onions. We're going to give a little bit of onions over here and the rest over there. You know me, I do the red and the white. Thank you, sir. Hard to do two at once. No. So I think I'm going to, while this is sauteing, I'll turn it up a little bit on each. I'm going to drop in my peppers too. And then we're going to stir that around. We have to mix it up. We got orange, green, and red peppers. I'm going to mix it up so they know it's all good. Okay, so we'll get all that mixed in. Runaway pepper there. I know I say it all the time, and my producer don't like it.
It smells so good.
It smells so good.
We should have smell-o-vision.
You have smell-o-vision because it really does smell delicious. I keep getting runaway peppers. Like, slow down, peppers.
I was about to say, you should have used the other pot. You should use the,
yeah, my other good Titan pot. So we'll let this cook out for a little while and we'll be back. Okay, so our next step, we're adding some corn. I know fajita's not made with corn, but like I said, we like hearty food. We don't want to eat something and be hungry 20 minutes later. And then for the vegetarian, I'm going to add in some carrots. And I've already blanched these carrots off so they won't be so hard. So look at that. We got carrots, corn, peppers, mushrooms, and 3 color peppers. I said peppers already though. So that is cooked up, and for our next step for the non-vegetarian, we're going to add in our shrimp. I've already seasoned them, and you know what I did? I cut the shrimp in half, so I butterflied them, kind of sorta, but I cut the butterfly wings apart. So once our corn is a little done in this pan, we're gonna add in our shrimp, and voila.
Oh, shout out your shirt.
My shirt is God Did That. It's by E.H. Holmes Ministries, Enrique Holmes Ministry. He has a great album. You all pick that up too, and the description will be in our description box below. Please order. Follow him. Great album.
Great album?
Album. CD.
Great
I'm sorry.
album.
I'm old.
CD. Looks like a nice CD.
It's a CD. I said album. We don't even have those anymore.
No, you don't.
Everything's digital.
Yeah, but I put the link in the description box. Go get that. Go support Black-owned business.
Yes. And he's my G. I watched this young man grow up when I started going to the Harvest Tabernacle, and he has been through some things, but he stood it all. He inspires me so much. Enrique, I love you!
Don't bust my mic now.
Okay, so I think we're going pretty good. So because shrimp only takes a few minutes, we will turn the vegetable pan down and let that just hang out. And I'm going to make a spot here for our shrimpses, our shrimp, as Bubba would say. And you know what I think I'm going to do first is add a little butter. You guys, I thank you so much for your support. I thank you, I thank you, I thank you. Keep liking, subscribing, and sharing. Tell your friends to watch. Give me a thumbs up. Watch the whole video so I can get some watch time. And we're almost to 100 subscribers. Woo, woo, woo! We're gonna give a giveaway when we get to that 100.
Be anything crazy because I know
We just started, but
coronavirus is kind of rapid, so you can't really do much.
well, we're gonna give a giveaway.
But we'll do something. It'll either be one of these, which is a kitchen cutie. You can wipe your hands on this when you're in the kitchen.
And you
That's
can
why
wash it.
All of these, the bottoms are white, so you can, just wash them. We'll do those, or probably some type of gift card, or.
And if you want, if you know us and you want us to make you some sweets or something, we could do that.
If you live in the Atlanta area, we can also do delivery for you. It has to be in the metro Atlanta area. We can't drive to Bumble Creek, South Carolina, or whatever. But if you're in the Atlanta area, definitely reach out.
Oh my God, I'm making a mess.
We do events all the time.
You ain't cooking unless you spill some food out.
Right. All right, but we'll come back
When the shrimps are,
when
the shrimp is done. Oh! I'm learning, y'all. I'm learning. Seth got it down pack.
I was gonna say that was the cameraman who just did that.
Yep.
With a camera in his hand.
The producer, cameraman, the stirrer.
Also, what did we do with this?
So we added the shrimp, cooked the shrimp in. My shrimp kind of fizzled up, but it's all right. We got enough vegetables and stuff. This is our vegetarian one. And we have some yellow rice that we're gonna put in our tortillas too. So give me a second and then we're gonna plate up and then we're gonna eat. Okay, so we finished all our ingredients. We put this in the pan, flipped it over. So it's nice and toasty. So for this one, we are going to add a little bit of our yellow rice. I know, rice doesn't go on a fajita, but it does in this house because Auntie M's creates her own. Put a little bit of rice in. Now, whoever's gonna make theirs can make however they want it. I don't know if you can see this. We got the onions, the peppers, a little bit of corn. Ooh, did you hear that flake up? Let's put some of the shrimp in it. Just a little bit more shrimp. Only one came up. Okay, so that's our fajita. We fold that in half. Let's get everybody in there. Now I'm just gonna fold it in half and leave it because on the table we have sour cream, cheese, cheese and green onions to top it up. And so this is going to be for our vegan one. So what I used for it, I did a baked potato, and then we're just gonna top it with all of our ingredients. I don't know if you noticed too that we stopped and put this in our
Professional skillet.
our other Titanware pan. I absolutely love this. So we put that on there. I made a mess. You should really probably let it look better than this. Let's wipe that right there. And so we have our tortilla and our thing, and in our vegetarian. I'm sorry.
You gotta treat that with some respect there.
Our vegetarian one, we'll put a little scallions on here, and we'll put a little dollop of sour cream, and there you have it. vegetarian fajita.
Right.
And then for this one, we'll just slap a little cheese in here. Just a little bit, just a little bit. Slap a little cheese in there. Sprinkle a couple of scallions. And put a little bit of sour cream. And that is our fajita. So thank you so much for joining us for Fajita Friday.
Hey, wait. Before the video ends, where's the drink?
Oh, I'm sorry, we didn't do our drink. Oh Lord. Oh Lord, we gotta have our drink. We're gonna put an orange, flatten that down right there. Let's put a lime and a lemon and a kiwi. Put all the fruit in the middle. We're going to pour our pink lime. I'm sorry, this is not even pink.
I was gonna say.
This is our lime lemonade.
Because we always do pink lemonade.
Yeah, we always do pink. And it's sugar-free. So there you have it. Now, thank you for watching Cooking and Creating with Auntie M. Please like, subscribe, and share. Also give me a thumbs up. That helps with the YouTube algorithm. See, I'm already learning. And next time we will make something delicious. Please comment and let me know what you would like us to make. I guess that's it for now. I'm ready to eat. Bye-bye.